Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you how to create shimmer mist like I've used on the corner of this card. I'm going to be using our bright copper shimmer paint to do this, along with one of our Stampin' Spritzers and some rubbing alcohol. So let me set this aside so I can show you how to get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is take your rubbing alcohol and fill up your Stampin' Spritzer. And I'm not into measuring a great deal, but I tend to fill this up about 3/4 of the way. So there's a little bit of room on the top to allow the expansion once you put your spritzer in. And then you shake your paint up really well. And I'm going to use just a few drops of this paint in this Stampin' Spritzer. So let me show you. And like I said, it's not an exact measurement. You just try it and see what you think, and then go and add some more if you want more shimmer. So I've added 2 drops there. We're going to give that a try. And I'm going to screw my spritzer on tightly. And then I'm going to shake so this mixes well. And at this point I want to protect my surface. So I'm going to put a piece of paper down, and I am going to take my very vanilla cardstock and make sure I know where the spritzing is going to go, and then spritz. And I'm thinking that looks really nice, so I'm happy with that mixture. Now these darker dots will disappear as the alcohol dries. Let me show you the project again. And here's the copper shimmer on my leaf. I hope you can see that it's subtle. If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.